Hello everybody, it's Captain Clamp, just showing you out my window here in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. That's right, left the country. A lot of people were wondering if I was dead. A lot of my friends and my enemies. Well, I'm not. Just taking a little break in the US of A. It's been sort of a rough year for me, you see. I've been struggling with a video game addiction. Video game addiction that led to full-out competitive video game gambling. You know how it goes. Bet some money, lost. Had to borrow some money, lost. Borrowed some more money, lost. Borrowed money from a crime syndicate. Went to Brazil! Yeah. Anyhow, this country needs a guy like me. There's a lot of problems here, a lot of crime. They don't do crime right here. So I started a youth program trying to teach people how to pick pockets, steal car stereos, trying to create opportunities for the children. Not enough opportunities here.